This is the rear link arm bushing kit that I supply for this upper rear arm SC5. So basically we knock out the OEM bushings that were there. We put twice as long bushings. We'll drive those in, and we're going to drill and tap this hole. This hole's already there. It's probably about 3/16 of an inch. No, actually it's probably a lot smaller than that. Pardon me. I've got this one drilled out already and tapped. But basically all we're going to do is just open that up to 732. I have a drill bit kit and tap kit in like on the website, so you can purchase it there or get your own. And what we'll do is drill the hole 732, 1/4-20 tap. You can do it by hand or use the drill. I prefer a drill. And this is how I would do it. Right, I just power drill it in. Right, I don't want to cross thread it right there. But anyways, so I'll supply you with a grease fitting and 2 washers here. You need these 2 washers, otherwise the washers will, or the grease fitting will go all the way down and interfere with the shaft. So what we want to do is flood the grease nipple. So flood the grease nipple. Don't get any Loctite in the fitting. Obviously it's going to plug up, right? So we'll just put it around there like so. Lots of her. That's as tight as I can get it. And we'll try the shaft, make sure there's no interference on it. And she goes. Make sure you lubricate this before you assemble it. Like, don't assemble it and then use the grease nipples. Grease it first, and then you're going to grease it again afterwards. Anyways,